Are you in love with him?
Now, those were the days when people knew how to be in love.
You're a basket case.
They knew it. Time, distance, nothing could separate them because they knew it was right, it was real, it was
A movie. That's your problem. You don't want to be in love. You want to be in love in a movie.
It's sweet. Like, you want someone to feel that way about you.
You're just too good to be true.
That actually makes me want to vomit.
Can't take my eyes.
I want my fairy tale ending.
You'd be like heaven to touch.
It's impossible. Happy ever after. There really isn't those kind of endings.
Love has arrived.
I mean, that's incredible. It's a beautiful scene.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off
Breaks my heart.
Everything I wish would happen in my romantic life could be true, if that makes sense, and it just makes it impossible because it's not real at all.
Reinforces the idea that great love is built upon grand romantic gestures and nothing more, that you can win someone's heart by you know, holding up a sign for them, or standing on top of a building and professing your love for them, or playing a song for them on a boombox outside their window. And that's, you know, that's just the beginning of a relationship. That's where it starts. It's not where it ends. And that's usually where the movie ends.
He holds up the boombox, that's ideal. But of course, he's done something wrong and is trying to make up for it. Isn't that the case? I'm not sure. Anyway, he's doing something. That's a great gesture.
No one's ever held up a boombox for me, no, unfortunately. I would love that.
John Cusack holding a boombox, yeah, that would do it for me.
I just want the nice prince to come sweep me off my feet. And he's nowhere to be found.
Bellowing beast!
The French film Amélie, and in the very end, they've been having this love affair through many, I think like a long period of time, but they've never met. And he finally walks up to her door and knocks on the door, and she answers it. Have you ever seen this movie? She answers the door, and they don't speak, and they just start kissing each other really slowly. And it's my dream. The one person I've been really, really in love with in my life. It was sort of like that, but not quite. Maybe someday.
Love Actually. I don't know. There are so many good ones where it's just like people realize who they're supposed to be with. And I feel like that epiphany sometimes. I don't know if that necessarily happens in life. Like all of a sudden you know. You're like mute all of a sudden. I don't know. Maybe I've just never had it happen, but I'm definitely kind of waiting for it, and I'm not sure that's realistic. Right.
It's too feminine, perhaps, for men to go out there, put themselves on the line.
I came here tonight because when you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible.
It sets a standard in your head that isn't really met. Yeah. So people have a false idea of happiness and therefore false ways of reaching happiness, and therefore they're depressed for no apparent reason except for the ideals that Hollywood presents.
I wrote you every day for a year.
You wrote me?
Yes.
The Notebook.
Yeah, The Notebook all the way.
Still isn't over.
It's about these two people that are totally in love with each other and have been forever. He like stays with her in her Alzheimer's state, which I don't feel like is necessarily something that generally would happen.
I mean, they die at the same time in the movie. They're
Right.
holding each other and they die together. That
there's
love
that
is so
ideal
strong.
of love being able to surpass everything, and it's just like I don't feel like that necessarily is the truth.
You have to kiss a few frogs, and out of nowhere, the perfect guy isn't gonna sweep you off your feet.
I think girls don't expect anything to be done for them nowadays because we've accepted the fact that guys don't have to court us. I think it's tragic. But what can you do? Guys are lazy, no offense to all of you out there, but you really are. You're gonna hate me now. No guy's ever gonna want me. Pessimistic right here.
It's one of those things that looks amazing in a movie.
We all want to live in a fantasy world, and it just doesn't play out in real life.
We should all just screw Hollywood.
The dreams you've dreamed have all gone astray. The man that won you has run off.